Hello everybody, warm welcome back. Yaje here, super excited to share with you yet another gardening video. Today I will be sharing with you what is going to become my container gardening part of my garden. So what you are looking at is the side of my house. This part is usually not used for anything, but I did jazz it up and it is ready to take on a lot of plants. This is going to be my secret garden. So let me show you what I did. These are the pallets. I'm moving all of these pallets over here, and this is where I'm gonna do my container garden, right here in this space that otherwise would just be a wasted space. Oh my god, guys, this was a lot of work. I have all the pallets lined up. As you can see, I even started filling up this large fabric raised bed over here. I'm going to fill it up with more soil, and I will plant a lot of things here. No space goes unwasted. You have to get creative. Okay, so this is the side of my house. The side of my house, this space is usually just not used for anything, and so I decided to jazz it up to use for my container garden. You can see it does not receive a lot of sunlight. It's going to get some sunlight, but it is like partially shaded, which is good for some type of plants and not so good for some type of plants. So here's what I did. I got pallets. These are pallets, and I lined the entire, not the entire side, but I lined part of the side of the building with the pallets. I'll show you. So that's, in some areas I doubled everything up, and then some I just have a single layer of pallet. So that's the pallet. This is like kind of like heavy duty pallet, and guess what, I paid just about 75 cents for one. And then I moved the entire thing here. So these are the pallets that I lined up the space with because I did not want to dig anything. So it makes it very easy to walk. It's convenient. And then when it rains, sometimes the water gathers around here, so it's going to be below. Okay, so I put the pallets there, and then here I have a giant grow bag. This is super big, which I have another video that I will share with you on how to fill bigger grow bags like this, because if you have to buy soil to fill these grow bags, it's going to be super expensive. This one here is 20 gallons. So filling up grow bags with 20-gallon grow bag, filling up a 20-gallon grow bag with soil is going to be super expensive. So this is what I did. I'm going to plant something in the grow bags. I'm not sure what yet. I'm thinking my garden eggs can go in the larger grow bags, and then I am going to plant the fluted pumpkin in these grow bags that I have here. You would see I put another pallet, leaned that pallet against the fence so that the ugu or the fluted pumpkin can climb. Remember, it's a vine. So I just thought this was super genius. Oh, if you're wondering how I'm going to water this, I have a hose like right there. I'm going to show you. Okay, so it's across the fence, and I just happen to have a hole here. So what I would do is pull the hose through that hole, and then I'm going to use that to water my plants. So I just wanted to share with you this setup. I thought it was super cool. Okay, let me show you something else over here. So this here, this other part has my compost bin. So this is my compost bin. I have been getting soil out of it and filling my containers with, mixing it with a little bit of peat moss and perlite. And then here is where I harden off my transplants, because the area is kind of shaded, partly shaded. It's perfect for hardening off my transplants. Just a, garden inspiration. If this video was useful, consider liking the video, subscribing. Thank you for watching. Bye.